In Deutschland ist die große Herausforderung.
The greatest challenge in Germany is raising awareness of the topic. For as long as water remains as clean as it actually is in Germany, nobody's interested. We continue to maintain our claim of offering the very best in current technology, and you'll see this at ISH. At the same time, two issues are of particular importance as far as water is concerned: drinking water hygiene and the security and safety of the installation. Drinking water hygiene is about using the right materials, and the security of the installation is about preventing damage in cases where something or other malfunctions. ISH has always been the mega event in the sector, and the mood is always good. But this time, there's the additional boost that the mood is also bolstered by an appropriate economic situation, by which I mean that we have a decent number of orders and we have hopes that we shall once again derive a significant push from ISH.
Sich einen Push mitnehmen können.